Hello friends and welcome to Nile P Academy. Today we are going to learn how we can customize our form so that it will look good and it will look presentable. Like this, it is not really giving, but we will transform this form such that it will look better and it will look attractive. So at the end of this lesson, you will learn how you can format the text or how you can add pictures, you add headers, you change the font size, so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's just get started. So just click this customize theme, and from here you will have full control of what is really happening here, and you will learn more today. So the first thing here, you have text style. This text style, it is divided into three categories. There is header, there is question, and there is text. Okay, so these are the styles. So if you want to change the title or the header, you want to change the font size of the header, you just come here in this style and the header, and you come and select any font size that suits you better. Here, currently we have Time New Roman. But if you don't want Time New Roman, you can change it into impact. Have you seen the title here? The header has changed into impact. If you don't want impact, maybe you want Roboto, so you can always change that. If you don't want Roboto, you just scroll down based on whatever things that you are trying to design. So we know every forms or every industry, they love uh, their own way of writing their things. So if it is about Valentine Day, you can just go with something that is a little bit fancy, and that is it. So that is header. So it will only apply to the header section. Also, you have a way of increasing the font size. So here it is now 24. You can change it to 21, or you can add more values. Okay. So, but the last here is 24. So, but you can change it to 18, you can change it to 19, 20, or 22. So that is enough about the header. So second in the line here, it is about the questions. So these are the questions. Okay. So let me first come here and I create a new question. Okay, have you seen this is question? Whatever things that you write here, it is regarded as question. So how do you change it? It is the same. If you don't want Roboto, you come here and you change this Roboto Sheriff. Have you seen here? This has changed. But let's try to put impact so that we really see the effect. Have you seen? Every question has now changed to impact, like full name, email address, year of study, or any question that I will type. Sorry, name of school. Okay, have you seen? Everything has changed to this one. So it is only going to apply to the what? So let's change it to Roboto. It will only apply to the question. The same thing, you have a right to change them maybe to 13, 14, so on and so forth. So you can also change the font size here. So that is that. And lastly, we have the text. This is what is so called the text. These are the texts, okay? These short answers here, these are the texts. So let's try to make it impact so that we see the real action. Have you seen now everything has changed now to this impact. So this is the text. So let's first try to change it to Roboto. So that is enough about that. So what if you want to maybe change specific words? So what do you do? Like for example, you want to change this word capture and you don't want to change the entire thing. So what do? You have this formatting uh, uh, text. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it, or you can also insert a link. You can put maybe number list, or if you don't want any formatting, you can always come here and you highlight this and you remove all those formatting. So you have this type of formatting, but you also have a liberty to come inside the form and you try to change anything based on your specification. So that is that. So we are done with the formatting of the text. So now let's go to the header section. If you want to choose an image that will always appear on top, so you can come here and you choose image. There are some of the images created by Google, but if you have a customized image you want to put it, you can always come and do whatever things that you like. So these are the tops. These are the top headers. So let's first just try this and you click insert. Let's give it a minute so that it loads. Have you seen? So it has now changed this. So we have a header. So if you come here to preview your form, this is how your form will look when the users are trying to use it. Have you seen? Very beautiful. So it is always good to put uh, image. It is always good to upload image based on what you are trying to do. So I have photos here. I don't know. Okay, let me try to maybe add something. Okay, ALU. Okay, this is ALU application PNG. Okay, let's just try to upload that thing. So make sure that the header will talk more. Okay, let's just bring it here. Okay, I don't know which one is good. Yeah, so make sure that your header talk more about what you are trying to do. Okay, so that is the mistake most of people do. So they may put a header that is not matching with what is in the form. So if it is about maybe self-awareness, make sure that the header here, photo that you upload here, will always talk about how do you call awareness. So that is that. So here these are the colors. So you can always change these colors. You know, see, you can always change these colors. Okay, so you can always change these colors. So and lastly here we have background. So you can change the background. Okay, you can always change the background if you want. Maybe you want to create your own color. Come here, then you add, and it will by default come here. So that is that. So up to this far, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to an end of our lesson. We were just trying to make our form look good, look appealing, and look presentable. So thank you. Follow for more.